Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today is the unboxing video of 3/8 torque wrench from Stahlwille. I have already reviewed half-inch torque wrench in one of my previous videos. Since it became my favorite non-digital torque wrench, so I decided to get one in 3/8 drive. The part number is 730/5. As usual, it comes with the instruction manual about repair and calibration information. I like Stahlwille matte chrome rough finish. Workmanship is amazing. Nice laser etched Stahlwille logo, made in Germany obviously. These torque wrenches are monoscope series. Torque capacity is from 6 to 50 Nm or 5 to 38 foot-pounds. What a nice looking tool it is. On the torque reading meter, it's got magnifying glass for better reading. Comfort grip 2-component design handle with nice logo on the screen part. Green part has harder material and the black part is softer material. I like the handle grip, it fits good in hands. Now interesting part, why they call it quick. Here you can see a metal tab. You just need to press it and hold it, then use your thumb on this green tab to move back and forth to change the torque. This is just simple as this. This is the most quickest and convenient way to change the torque. Isn't it amazing? The torque accuracy is ±4, so it's pretty accurate. You don't need to bring it down to the zero. You can just use it straight away without resetting it. I tell you guys, I love these torque wrenches. These ratchet head does not include in this package. You have to buy separately, or you can buy a whole package depending on the deal you take. Mine did not come with this. Since it is detachable, you can buy half-inch ratchet head separately too. But you have to be careful which size interface you need. For this torque wrench, it's 9x12 attachment style. Inserting and removal is pretty easy. Be careful to insert it with the right direction, else you will need small screwdriver to pinch the ball this end to remove the head. This torque wrench is pretty solid and robust. It's got 60 teeth care, smooth teeth mechanism. By the way, you can get different types of attachment if you want to, like the ratchet head with quick release function. One thing I don't like when it does not come with the box. Even a cheapest torque wrench includes a carrier box. For this you need to buy separately unless you get the box included in the package. Here are some footage where I was using half-inch wrench. These torque wrenches are my favorite. Quality is absolutely high. I think it's worth every penny. Alrighty then, that's it with the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Consider to like and subscribe my channel. I will see you in another video. Thanks for watching.